Hi guys, Elliot from Valet Pro. Today we're at Combe racetrack and we're smashing out a track day with Club Lotus. So with most track days you'll probably already bring your car prepped and cleaned already, but as you go on track you're going to pick up some dust and bug splats. So we're going to run through the products just to maintain it throughout the day. So we're going to start off with the glass cleaner. As most glass cleaners, nice and simple to use. We're going to spray it onto the windscreen and then wipe it off, and that should get rid of our bug splats. So you've seen with the bugs on the windscreen, same applies for the paintwork. So we've got all these bugs on the front end here. So for gloss paint, we've got Citrus Bling, and for matte and wrapped cars, we've got Matte Protect. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go in with the Citrus Bling, spray it all over the front, and we're going to wipe those bugs off. And as we wipe the bugs off, we're also putting down some protection as well. So we've got Lee over here, who's been opposite our stand. He's been on and off track all day. So we're going to give him our Citrus Bling, and he's going to demonstrate to us how easy it is to use.
The car attracts the bugs.
Yeah, I bet, yeah.
So you can, it's sort of like, you can always spot them. Whereas to the bit, how long have I been doing this for?
So as you can see from that last clip, the products are super simple to use and go down a treat here at Combe. If you're interested in looking at more of the products, then head over to our website, www.valetpro.global. Thanks for watching.